Imagine stepping into a digital world so real, you forget where you are. That's the promise of today's most hyped VR and mixed reality headsets, Apple Vision Pro and Meta Quest 3. But here's the million-dollar question. Literally, should you go with Apple's futuristic, ultra-expensive Vision Pro or Meta's more affordable, gamer-focused Quest 3? In this video, we're breaking down everything: design, performance, features, apps, price, and at the end, we'll answer, who really wins the battle of mixed reality in 2025? Number 1. The philosophy behind each headset. Apple and Meta aren't just competing with hardware. They're selling visions of the future. Apple Vision Pro isn't marketed as just a VR headset. It's a spatial computer. Apple wants it to replace your laptop, your TV, and maybe even your iPhone one day. Meta Quest 3, on the other hand, is focused on gaming and accessibility. Meta wants everyone to experience VR and mixed reality without breaking the bank. So right from the start, we're looking at two very different mindsets. Apple wants to reinvent how we use technology, while Meta wants to dominate the social and gaming side of the virtual world. Number 2. Design and comfort. Let's face it, if you're strapping something on your face for hours, comfort is king. Apple Vision Pro looks like ski goggles with a sleek aluminum frame, curved glass, and a luxurious fabric strap. It screams premium, but it's heavy, around 600 to 650 grams. Apple offsets this by offloading the battery into an external pack that sits in your pocket. Meta Quest 3 is slimmer and lighter than its predecessor. At around 515 grams, it's easier on the neck. The design is plastic, not glass and metal, but it's built for long gaming sessions, not luxury. Apple wins on looks and futuristic vibes, but Meta wins on practical comfort for longer sessions. Number 3. Displays and visual quality. Here's where Apple flexes its muscles. Vision Pro has dual micro OLED displays with 23 million pixels combined, basically 4K per eye. The colors are vivid, blacks are deep, and text is razor sharp. Watching a movie on Vision Pro feels like having a cinema screen floating in front of you. Quest 3 uses LCD panels with about 2064 by 2208 resolution per eye. It's crisp, but not in the same league as Apple's insane micro OLED tech. However, for gaming, it's more than enough. Apple dominates here. If you care about the sharpest, most realistic visuals, Vision Pro is unmatched. Number 4. Performance and hardware power. Apple Vision Pro is powered by Apple's M2 chip, the same one used in MacBooks, plus a dedicated R1 chip that processes camera and sensor data in real time. This means ultra-smooth tracking, lag-free interactions, and desktop-level performance inside a headset. Meta Quest 3 runs on Qualcomm's Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2. It's a huge upgrade from the Quest 2, offering faster graphics and better mixed reality pass-through. But compared to Apple's M2, it's not in the same heavyweight category. Apple wins, but Meta holds its ground with solid optimization for VR gaming. Number 5. Mixed reality and pass-through. This is where things get exciting. Apple Vision Pro has industry-leading pass-through with high-resolution color video. You can see your surroundings in incredible clarity, almost as if you're not wearing a headset. Apple blends real and virtual objects so seamlessly, it feels magical. Meta Quest 3 also supports full color pass-through, but the quality isn't as sharp. It's good for AR games and simple interactions, but you won't mistake it for reality. Apple is years ahead in pass-through tech, but Quest 3 offers a fun and affordable version of mixed reality. Number 6. Input and controls. No controllers? That's Apple's bold move. Vision Pro is controlled by eye tracking, hand gestures, and voice commands. Just look at an app, pinch your fingers, and you've clicked. It feels futuristic, but there's a learning curve. Hardcore gamers might miss physical controllers. Quest 3 comes with Meta's redesigned Touch Plus controllers, with great haptics and precision. Plus, it also supports hand tracking for more natural input. For productivity and immersion, Apple's control system is amazing. For gaming, Meta's controllers still win. Number 7. Apps and ecosystem. Here's where the battle gets interesting. Apple Vision Pro runs on Vision OS, which integrates with iOS and macOS. You can run thousands of iPhone and iPad apps in a virtual 3D space. Watching Disney+, FaceTime with lifelike avatars, editing documents. It's powerful, but the ecosystem is still new. Meta Quest 3 has a huge library of VR games and apps. From Beat Saber to Resident Evil 4 VR, Quest 3 is the headset for gamers. Meta also pushes its Horizon World social platform, although it hasn't taken off as much as they'd hoped. Apple is building a productivity and entertainment ecosystem, while Meta rules gaming. Which one you prefer depends on your needs. Number 8. Content consumption and work productivity. Vision Pro is incredible for productivity. Imagine a giant 100-inch floating monitor where you can multitask, browse the web, and even use a virtual keyboard. It's also amazing for movies, 3D films, Apple TV Plus, and even immersive environments like watching a film on the moon. Quest 3 is more about gaming and fitness apps like Supernatural VR. You can watch Netflix, but the experience is more casual compared to Apple's cinema-like immersion. If you want a workstation and movie theater in one, Vision Pro wins. If you want gaming fun, Quest 3 is the better fit. Number 9. Price and value. Here's the deal breaker. Apple Vision Pro. $3,499. That's more expensive than a high-end gaming PC, a MacBook, and an iPhone combined. It's clearly not for everyone. Meta Quest 3, $499, less than the price of an iPhone. It's accessible, affordable, and offers great value for entry-level VR. Meta destroys Apple in value. Vision Pro is a luxury item, while Quest 3 is for the masses. Number 10. The verdict. Who wins? So, who wins the battle? If you're looking for cutting-edge tech, insane visuals, futuristic controls, and productivity tools, the Apple Vision Pro is unmatched. It's the Ferrari of headsets, but with a Ferrari price tag. If you want gaming, social VR, and affordable mixed reality fun, the Meta Quest 3 is the clear winner for everyday users. In the end, it's not about one beating the other. It's about who they're designed for. Apple is targeting professionals, tech enthusiasts, and creators. Meta is targeting gamers and casual users. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe for more deep tech comparisons, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next video.